For today's game, we are playing Grape Soccer. So we're going to use our fingers as the players. Each person gets 2 players. And to create the goals, I simply cut a plastic cup in half horizontally and then cut out 2 little pieces vertically around it to be able to create the goals. I did tape them slightly onto the end just so that they would stay pretty much in place. If you do have little kids around, make sure to put tape around the sharp edges so that they don't get hurt. Are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to play first 1 to 3.
Okay, I'm going to use this one.
Okay, I'm going to play two players. Each person gets 2 players. On your right, you kick off. Ah! Goal! First one. All right. Ready, set, go. Good job! That was amazing! See, well, this is why I can take them down. So 1 to 1. All right, ready, set. Oh, wow! Technically, that should have been my kickoff, but I'm going to give you that point. Good job. So 2 to 1, Grant is ahead. This time I get to kick it off. Ready, set, go. So Grant could win with 1 more goal. You can do 2 people. You can play with 2 players. Wow, 2 to 2.
2v2.
Yep, 2v2. Okay, we're gonna play 1 person at the last. Whoever gets it is the winner. You totally went around me. High fives. Good job. So Grant is the winner of our Grape Soccer. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
I want to play more.
You want to play more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go again.